Hello children. Previously we have finished with 4 topics. Now in this video we'll continue with next topic, that is subset. Subset, exactly what it is. If elements of one set is totally present in other set too, then we say the first set is subset of other. Other set may have extra elements also. It is not compulsory that the other set will have extra elements. It can be equal to the first set or it may have the extra elements. It is denoted using the symbol given here in red color. We'll see one example here. A is set of numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. B is set of numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now here A set, I have mentioned here elements with red color. Set B, if you will observe properly, in set B the elements which are present in A I have mentioned with the red color itself. As elements present in set A is totally present in set B, set A is subset of set B. Here if you will observe, elements of B are not present in A, only elements of A are present in B. It can be represented in the symbol as A subset of B, and we can write also B is not subset of A. Now remember these points. First, every set is subset of itself, that is A is subset of A. Empty set is a subset of every set. As empty set is denoted by phi, we can write phi is subset of A. Why is that so? Because empty set is not having any element, thus it will be subset of set A. If A is equals to B, then A is subset of B and B is subset of A. In the previous video we have seen that equal sets have exactly same elements. Thus if A is equals to B, that is set A is equals to set B, then obviously all elements will be same. So we can write A is subset of B or vice versa, B is subset of A. If A is subset of B, then B is subset of A, then A equals B, exactly opposite of the third point. Venn diagram. Now this Venn diagram is a pictorial form of writing the set. It is the easiest way to represent the set. It uses a closed figure to represent the set. Using this Venn diagram, we can show the relations between two sets very easily. Afterwards, we are going to see some examples related to relations. Universal set. Universal set means it contains all the elements together. Whichever sets we will have, either of rational numbers, of natural numbers or something, that together will have a set. For example, if we have natural numbers or we can say integers, these all numbers together can be represented in the set of real number. Therefore, that real will be a universal set and other sets will be the subsets of universal set. It contains all elements. Universal set is denoted by U. We use rectangle to represent the universal set in Venn diagram. We'll see some example. A is a set of numbers 1, 2, 6, 9. B is set of number 5, 7 and 11. U is set of x elements such that x belongs to n. N means natural numbers, where x is less than 15. Now as natural numbers begins with 1, so we are going to consider from 1 to 3 till 14, because x is less than 15, so we are not going to consider 15. Thus set u will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Now we'll show this using the Venn diagram. Here you can see a rectangle is shown. This rectangle represents a universal set. Now 1 to 14, these all numbers are present in universal set. Thus here all numbers are there. After that you can see blue color is used to show the elements present in set A, whereas red color is used to show the elements present in B. Rest white elements are all extra elements. This can be represented in this way. See here, now to represent set A separately, I have used a circle. Now here also you can see B set is also having one more set here. Elements are separated using a separate Venn diagram. Now we'll see one more example to understand the subset relation between the sets. U is set of letters of the word caterpillar. A is set of letters of the word cattle. B is set of letters of the word cat. Now these all three set can be represented in the listing method as U is set of alphabets C, A, T, E, R, P, I, L. In this we have not mentioned the repeated elements twice. A is set of letters C, A, T, L, E, and B is set of letters C, A, T. Here I have used colors to show the similar alphabets among these three sets. We can see C is present in A as well as in B. A is again present in A as well as B. Again T is also present in set A as well as set B. But L is present only in set A. Also E is only present in set A. So using this we can see that elements of B are totally present in A as well as in U. So we can say B is subset of A, also B is subset of U. Similarly, elements of A are also present in U, but they are not present in B. So we can say A is subset of U, but A is not subset of B. We'll see the same relations using Venn. Here you can see universal set, then set A using the oval shape and set B using the triangle shape. Now in the universal set all alphabets are present, means all letters of caterpillar are present. But here for A set C-A-T-L-E, only these letters are present. So we have written all these letters in oval shape. But again in that also C-A-T is present in B as well as in E. So in triangle we have written C-A-T. So using this diagram you can understand B is subset of A is subset of U. Therefore we can say B is subset of A is subset of U together. Children, hope you have understood the concepts properly. We'll continue in the next video. Thank you.